Namaste, welcome to Havilah Elsha kitchen. Today we are going to prepare carrot coconut roti recipe. This is very easy and very tasty recipe. By this recipe you can make your children eat carrot and coconut, which is very good for their health. Okay, let's get started by having a look at the ingredients. Flour, salt, oil, coconut paste, carrot paste. Take a bowl, add carrot paste. I used 2 small carrots and made paste. Okay, now add half cup coconut paste, salt as per your taste, 2 tablespoons of oil, and mix it well. Once it is nicely mixed, add 2 cups of wheat flour. Okay, now mix it well. Okay, once it is nicely mixed, knead it well and add water as required and make a fine dough. Okay, once the dough is prepared, just apply oil on top of the dough. And rest it for half an hour to 1 hour. After that, make a roti and place it on a pan and add oil as required on the both sides. Yeah, now take it in the serving plate. That's all. Now the very tasty and softy carrot coconut rotis are ready. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Havilah Elsha Kitchen.